Hello my fellow orchid lovers. So the day has finally arrived. One of my wish list orchids has arrived and my mom's birthday orchid has arrived. So I wanted to hop on here real quick, do an unboxing with you guys. Oh, I smell something good already. I'm just trying to be as careful as I can because I'm very well packed. I ordered these from Orchids.com, Norman. I met him in my Florida orchid growing group. Oh wow, there's a bloom, you guys. Look at that. The amount of care that has been taken to package these is amazing. And I smell her. Oh my goodness. Oh, look you guys. Here we have one of my wish list babies. From the Bellina family. The dragon. Here she is outside of its box with her two beautiful blooms, guys. My Phal Bellina. It's I think it's Sapphire Dragon, Maiden Beryl. I'm gonna put that close so you can see it. I'll just add it in the comments. And the fragrance, you guys, I can't even, it's so yummy. And it has another flower spike coming in. I am so impressed. I really am. Here is the gift that I'm giving my mom for her birthday. This is a rare beauty. It's an indigo blue of the orchid that looks like a jellyfish, Cochleata, I believe you say. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I'm gonna go ahead and drop her full name there in the comments for you. This is my new wish list orchid, and this is the gifted orchid that I'm giving my mom for her birthday. I'm gonna include a picture now so you guys can see what she'll look like. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye. Yaphon Dragon, Maiden, Beryl, Black Comet Indigo Blue, Cochleata. Look at that new little growth. Look at those bulbs. She's looking good. She's blooming size, so let's see.